Hello again guys, welcome to a new video. Just update guys about the weather, because last week guys the weather was like totally freezing cold here in Alberta, and this week is not too bad at all. It's about the range is about probably minus 4, 10, the highest is minus 15, and this afternoon it's a bit snowy but guys, but it's okay guys, I prefer snow than how you call that, than that cold weather, as you can see right there guys. Yeah, yeah, yeah. First, no, I forgot something. I'll go the other side. Yeah, and then probably this will be another short video for you guys, because my storage capacity, it might be already full right now, because I didn't delete some video. As you can see guys, see the road right here. Yeah, yeah, it's not too bad. The whole way is gonna be like this, and it didn't snow for about a week, so yeah, I prefer this guys. That minus yeah, I'm gonna see minus, yeah. And as you can tell, I didn't wear some scarf and gloves, because yeah, that range like minus 5 to 10, I can deal with it, so that's a good thing guys. So yeah, heading to work again, and we're in the highway, so we'll wait guys. Yeah, that's the bus station right there, ATS. Yeah, see, it's not too bad at all, but we have to wait when the yeah, because we're still in the highways guys. We're crossing right there, another right there. Yeah, we're almost there guys, we're almost there. We'll see if I can cross this road, if we don't have enough car, but it's too bad, lots of yeah, car crossing. And while this January is almost done guys, that's the only thing here with the like the whole year, the coldest month is January, but good thing it went to the weather calm down a bit, so that's a good thing. Yeah, it's about current minus 3 right now. Yeah, I hope it's 10, but no, it's minus 3. I see the